let's fucking do it. Okay, first section. ARTGIRL shader macros. We've relabeled this section with a synonym, and in this section we have new labels right here. These are monkey wrench macros. We're not going to allow them. Okay, we have 0 point whatevers, and then we have 1 point whatevers, and then also down in this section we have a float 255. That is the end of this new section, or it's not a new section, but a new label, smacros, for the section. Then in ARTGIRL shader strings within shader source fragment 8, the bombs for Josh shader inside our main entry point, within label your units asshole, within the value units, we have some monkey wrench macros here. We have the 32-bit bit-packed color for the bomb and fata, and then we have the vector version of those same colors, the normalized float color, right? Float, bomb, and fata. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Inside of our geometry data selection loop, if we scroll down here, this section name was fucking wrong, and now we have fucking fixed it. Does the geometry exist? Previously, it was called Is Geometry Killed? That's fucking wrong, because Is Geometry Killed is right fucking down here. We have not changed the logic, however, we have added little kind of like commentary to this section. And then down here, we added this little commentary as well. You'll have to check out the code to see what that fucking means, because I'm not going to waste any time, except maybe I just wasted time. Okay, so right here, this is the Toy Story SID loop, where we render the frontmost visible bomb. But we don't actually render it here. We just select the data for the bomb that we want to render. Let's scroll down here and see what's changed. Get bomb for address. So right in here, what the fuck is going on? I don't know what the fuck is going on. Okay, so if we have a non-zero bomb tile here, we're bit packing the binary tile value into 32 bits here. And right here, we're taking that binary packed value, we're extracting the most significant 4 bits to get the V16, and then using the V16 to hex color value lookup table for the hex colors for bombs and fata, right? Bombs and fata use the same lookup table. We're getting the color for the bomb, right? Okay, so let's go down to the next section. Render collected binary tiles. So inside this section, within the bomb rendering section, if we have a non-zero bomb, a bomb exists, we want to render it. Down here, we haven't changed anything. We did change something, but we re-fucking-dacted it because we were covering too much code in one video. And we're fucking out of here! That's the fucking reason why. Like and subscribe.